This is a 2013 Ford F-150 XLT SuperCrew, burgundy over gray. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Leather-wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, satellite radio, trailer brake controls, traction control. There's a look at the rear seat. Running boards, stylish wheel covers, backup sensors, lockable tailgate, tonneau cover, backup camera, spray-in bed liner. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at Autonation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.